Thank you viewers for coming again to our channel. Today's question is on simultaneous equation. In fact, we are starting a series on simultaneous equation. We want you to stay with us to the end of this video and follow up the series to get the proper knowledge on how to solve a simultaneous equation by elimination method. So let us go to the board and get started. Now the question we have here is already given a name. We already named them equation 1 and equation 2. And remember, I told you the method we are using is elimination method. And you can see in this question we have two variables, two unknown variables. They are the x and the y. Of course, for us to solve this problem, we have to look for a way to eliminate one of the variable and work with the other one. Okay, so in this question, I want to eliminate the x variable. Maybe in subsequent example, I will eliminate the other variable. Okay, so let's follow up. Now, for me to eliminate this x variable, I need to consider something. I need to know the quantity of x in this first equation. I need to know the quantity of x in this second equation. It is very easy for you to eliminate a number when they have the same quantity. So the first thing we want to do is to make this quantity of x in this equation and here to be the same. And how do we go about that? It is very simple. Just watch. The quantity of x here is 3, so I'm going to multiply this whole equation by 3. The quantity of x here is 1. You can see a 1 here. I'm going to multiply all this equation by 1. And let's go started with it. So x times 3 will give me 3x plus 2y times 3 will give me 6y. Then 13 times 3 will give me, of course, 39. Yeah, 39. Now we are done with that first one. Now let's do this one. 3x times 1 will give me 3x. And y times 1 will give me y. And of course, 14 times 1 will give me 14. You see, we have another equation. And in this equation, if you observe, the values, the quantities of x are the same. Now, it is very easy to eliminate them. So what do? We can just put in the operation that can eliminate this equation for x. Now, the operation is minus. So I'm going to say, let's minus this equation from this equation. So it's going to be like 3x minus 3x is vanish away. And that's the essence why we do what we do. Are we together? Now 6y minus y is going to be 5y. Of course, you know the quantity of y here is 1. So just like 6y minus 1y, which will give me 5y. Then lastly, we have 39 minus 14, which will give me 25. I hope this is clear so far. I hope it's clear. So we see now we have the values, we have the equation in y variable. So we can go ahead and get the value of y. And of course come back to get the value of x. Now from here, for me to get the value of y, I divide both sides by the coefficient of y, divide both sides by 5, which is the coefficient of y. So I have 5 upon y here is equal to 25 upon 5. This will cancel out this, so y is equal to 5. So we have the value of y. Now we can easily obtain the value of x by plugging the value of y into any of these equations. So I would like to plug the value of y into this first equation, this very first equation. So put the value of y into equation 1. Now this very first equation, which is x plus 2y is equal to 13. Now the value of y is 5. See how I'm going to do it right now. So I have x plus 2 into 5. Instead of putting 5y, we replace it with the value of y, which is 5 right now. So equal to 13. So we have x plus, this is 2 times 5, which is 10, equal to 13. And of course, we collect like 10. We take this 10 to the other side of the equation, and it will be negative. So we have x is equal to 13. When this man moves to the other side of the equation, it becomes minus 10. And 13 minus 10 is will give me 3. So far, we've gotten the value of x and the value of y for this given equation. Is that clear? Thank you for watching. If this video have added some values to you, please, we want you to help us subscribe. Share this video to other people on the internet. We have a task to do on this video channel. We want to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of next month. But we can do that with you. Have a nice day. Stay blessed.